jump right into this tutorial. This is my hair, a week old. It needs to be shampooed and deep conditioned. I had it in a bun for like a few days, like I said, a week, and I just want to show you guys how much my hair has grown and how I've tweaked my deep conditioning routine. So the game changer is I use heat. Now I know you're like, what do you mean you use heat? Like, don't deep condition just say to use heat? Yes, it does, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So of course I am using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Intense Conditioning Treatment. This is like one of my favorite deep conditioners, but I just have it in a pack instead of the jar this time. And I like to apply my deep conditioners right after I shampoo it, while it's wet and while I'm in the shower. I just feel like it's just better to do it that way because I get like all the product in there well. And of course I use 2 packs because 1 pack was for one side and 1 was for the other. And I do it in 4 sections. Like I said, I like to really make sure it's saturated all up in my hair on every single strand. And the key to my new routine is pinning up my hair and using some plastic shower caps. Now the caps I'm using is like the cheap kind that you just get in a pack of like 100, and I'm going to be using 2. So the key to this is to make sure you are generating as much heat under the cap. So that is what helps the deep conditioner like really penetrate in your hair shaft. And then I like to take my scarf, and this is going to make sure it's really getting heated up under there. And I'm going to tie my scarf down around it. And then I'm going to take my soft hood bonnet dryer. I got this from Sally's. You guys are about to see it, but I got it from Sally's. I believe it was like $17. I think it's a really good investment. I've used it on other videos, but I never like really talked in depth about it. And what it is an attachment that you just put to your handheld blow dryer. I put mine on high heat, medium speed. And this dryer not only can be used for, deep conditioning treatments, but to dry your hair, like a twist out, a braid out, a flexi rod set. So it's just a good investment to have, especially if you're in college, because it's not one of those big old hooded dryers. It's really small and compact, and you can, store it away easily. And I'm going to let this deep conditioner sit in my head for 15 minutes. And then after I rinsed it out, these are my results. No product. This is just straight bare wet hair. And as you guys can see, it looks very moisturized. Like, I'm just so impressed that this tweak in my routine has really helped my hair this summer so far. And my hair has grown a lot. If you guys watch my vlogs and my videos, you know I cut my hair back in November in my dorm room, and I cut a lot of hair off. So just to see this growth is like really exciting to me, because my curl pattern is just coming in so nicely, especially in the front where I had the most damage. I mean, it's still not, quite wash and go ready in the front like I want it to be, but it definitely is growing out, and that's all I wanted, which I'm so happy about. But yeah, these are the results, and that's just the game changer. Literally applying heat. Most deep conditioners tell you to do that anyway, but I know a lot of people who just let it sit in their hair for 30 minutes. But if you apply heat, I swear that like really amplifies the treatment in your hair. So yeah, that is basically it. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you in another video. Bye.